everybody, it's Jay back with another episode of the Everything Guys. I know we haven't been posting very many videos lately. Life gets in the way sometimes, kids, work, but we're gonna post a little video today of a little bit of snow crawling. We woke up this morning and there's Kyle at the table working on the RC. Woke up to this morning. None of us have ever done any type of snow crawling before, so it's gonna be our first time. So we'll take you guys and we'll go over to the hillside. Johnny K should be ready by now, so we're gonna let Kyle finish his stuff, and then we're gonna head over there. Get back with you guys shortly. All right, so we just pulled up over here at the hillside with everybody.
Got the first real snow of the year instead of that little dusting. We actually got some accumulation.
It's definitely cold. Cars are really sliding around today. It's not that fun, but still having a good time.
I think it's a lot of fun. He don't know what he's talking about. But anyways, a little bit of crawling. We got the summit out here today. That thing's pretty cool. We'll get a little footage of that and just see where it goes from there. Johnny K out here with his new summit. What's up, Johnny K?
What's up? Little snow.
It is a really cool winter toy. All right, we just got down over there at John's crawling. It wasn't really the best for the smaller crawlers. The Summit did really great. Makes me really want to get one, so that will be coming up soon. I will be getting a new Summit, and we'll do a whole video about that. I'm going to get together with Johnny K, and we're going to do a little video of his Summit as well. He's got a couple new pieces he's been putting on there, getting it ready for the snow. So we'll get back with you guys. Once again, sorry for the lack of the videos lately. We will start doing more videos now that the weather is getting a little crazier. Just make sure you guys like, subscribe, share. Thank you.